Hi everyone, I had joined on 8th August online job internship program at Vision and training was just amazing. Personal attention was given to each and one in online classes. Myself Sanil Shalar, I am basically from Pune. I had completed BE in Electrical Engineering in J.H. Raisen College of Engineering and Management, Ahmednagar in 2020. The training provided is excellent and that too in details. The staff was fabulous. Evision placement team also has conducted telephonic and Webex interview practice and personal development session for overall development helps a lot. Apart from improving our technical skills, we can improve our communication skills also by giving live presentation for interview placement and mock which they will conduct every day. Evision provide 100% job assistance for placement part 2. I got placed in Sysnet Global Technologies Private Limited with a salary package of 2.6 LPA. Thank you Evision for support and guidance which they provided me in the training period. Thank you so much. Thank you all.